A severe hailstorm accompanied by heavy rain and strong winds battered several villages under the Ranikor civil subdivision in the early hours of the 15th of March 2026, damaging at least 139 houses. However, no casualties were reported. According to sources, large hailstones, reportedly the size of a tennis ball, fell along with intense rainfall and strong gusty winds, causing widespread damage to houses and property in several villages, particularly in the Nongjri area. Preliminary reports indicate that Nongkulang village was the worst hit, where more than 118 houses were damaged, impacting an estimate of around 700 to 800 residents. In Thatteja village, 8 houses were damaged, while 11 houses were damaged in Pormaudar and 2 in New Moilam. Later in the evening, residents from Amarsang village and parts of Pormaudar also reported that several households had suffered damage. However, due to poor network connectivity in the area, complete information is yet to be received, raising the possibility that more villages may have been affected. Officials from the Ranikor CNRD block have begun field inspections to assess the extent of the damage to houses and property. Meanwhile, reports also indicated that a similar hailstorm struck parts of West Garo Hills, including Tura and nearby areas in the early hours of the 15th of March. The hailstorm reportedly lasted for about 20 minutes and caused damage to homes and agricultural fields. In the meantime, the India Meteorological Department has issued a weather alert warning of heavy rain, thunderstorms, strong winds and possible hailstorms in parts of East Khasi Hills, West Jaintia Hills and other districts from the 15th of March to 19th of March 2026.